Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we bring you the most stunning and luxurious homes across the country. Today, we have an extraordinary property to tour, one that has buyers absolutely in love, and I can't wait to show you every amazing detail. From the moment you approach this mansion, you'll notice the elegance and sophistication, starting with the sweeping driveway and beautifully landscaped gardens that lead up to the grand entrance. The exterior features a stunning blend of warm brown, cream, and golden tones that shine in the sunlight, giving the home a welcoming yet high-end appearance. Every architectural detail is carefully designed, from the large windows that reflect natural light to the elegant garage and surrounding outdoor space. As we take a bird's-eye drone view of the property, you can truly appreciate the size, layout, and design of this home. The backyard is spacious and beautifully maintained, with a sparkling swimming pool, lounge areas, and lush gardens that make the outdoor space perfect for entertaining or relaxing in peace. The property combines both luxury and practicality, offering plenty of privacy while still creating an open and inviting atmosphere. Every corner is a testament to meticulous design and attention to detail, which is exactly why this home is being featured on American Dream Mansions. Stepping inside, the grand foyer immediately captures your attention with its soaring ceilings and abundant natural light. The warm cream walls, complemented by rich brown and golden accents, set the tone for the rest of the home. The entrance flows seamlessly into the main living area, where the living room creates the perfect balance between elegance and comfort. Imagine relaxing on a plush brown leather sofa while enjoying the view of the backyard through the large panoramic windows. Golden decorative elements, soft lighting, and sophisticated furnishings give the space a welcoming and luxurious feel, perfect for family gatherings or entertaining guests. The kitchen is a chef's dream, combining functionality with style. Cream-colored cabinets, brown countertops, and golden fixtures create a harmonious and elegant design. The large island in the center is ideal for casual meals or as a gathering space while cooking, and the modern appliances make preparing meals effortless. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area features a grand wooden table with cream chairs and a golden centerpiece, creating the perfect setting for family dinners or dinner parties. Every detail, from the flooring to the light fixtures, has been thoughtfully selected to elevate the overall aesthetic of the home. The bedrooms are equally impressive, with the master suite standing out as a true retreat. The spacious master bedroom features plush bedding in warm tones, a cozy reading nook, and golden accents that enhance the luxurious atmosphere. The attached master bathroom feels like a spa, complete with marble flooring, a freestanding bathtub, large mirrors, and golden fixtures that add elegance and sophistication. The additional bedrooms continue the theme of comfort and style, offering ample space, natural light, and beautiful finishes that make them both functional and inviting. For those who enjoy fitness and recreation, the home includes a fully equipped gym with modern exercise equipment and mirrored walls, offering a private space to stay active. The entertainment lounge is designed for relaxation, with a large TV, brown leather seating, and golden highlights that make movie nights or game days feel extra special. Moving outdoors, the patio area is perfect for unwinding or hosting guests. It features a cozy swing, cream and brown seating with golden accents, and a beautiful view of the gardens and pool, creating an inviting environment for relaxation or social gatherings. Every aspect of this home has been designed with care, balancing elegance, comfort, and functionality. The combination of warm colors, thoughtful layout, and luxurious finishes creates a home that feels both stylish and livable. It is the kind of property that embodies the luxury lifestyle we love to showcase on American Dream Mansions, and it's easy to imagine living here, enjoying the beautiful surroundings, and making memories in every room of this remarkable home. If you want more details about this stunning property, check the links in the description below for full information. You can also schedule a free call with our team to arrange a personal tour. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to American Dream Mansions, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another incredible home tour. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more luxurious and breathtaking homes in our next video.